Welcome back to Bone Smoke and Sizzle, another episode of making sausages. Today we will be making the Nürnberger Bratwurst, a fresh version. But before we start, I also like to show you something. First thing is, I got my t-shirts and the aprons and all the other goodies ready, they are made. And the other thing is, what I like to show you is the website. The website is now live and you can reach it at bonesmokeandsizzle.com. Here's the link for it. What will happen on there, you will see the release plan for the rest of the year. That means from March till December. There's 3 videos per week, so every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 4 p.m. there's a video released. Once the video has been released, the recipe and the instructions and everything what you need to know will also be automatically on the website. So let's get started with the Nürnberger Bratwurst and let's have fun. To make the Nürnberger Bratwurst, what we need on meat is we need 800 grams of lean pork, so it's type S1, and also we need 200 grams of back fat. I've been making 2 kilos, so I got double the amount. On the herbs and spices, we need the following. We need 18 grams of table salt per kilo. We need 2 grams of black pepper, also ground black pepper. We need 1 gram of nutmeg. We need 1 gram of ground ginger. We need a half gram of ground cardamom. We need 1 gram of rubbed marjoram. And we need 1 gram of grated lemon rind. So that's it for the meat and the herbs and spices what we use. We don't add any water in this one here. So the next thing is we set up the mincer with the 5mm blade. As you can see, I've already prepared it with the 5mm blade. And what I will do now is I will grind the meat, the lean meat, and then the fat, and keep it separately. Let's start off with the fat first. So the fat is done. The next thing what I will do is I add the lean and I keep this fat on the side. The little bit of fat what comes out I put aside as well. So that's nearly done. So the meat is done, and the next thing is now is we're gonna mix it. So the first part is now, as we have the lean pork here, we add the salt, the spices. So this one here is nutmeg, pepper, ginger, cardamom, oregano, and the lemon rind. Let's give this a good mix first. So we mix this till it becomes sticky, and we have the salt and the herbs mixed into the meat. Has a very nice smell. What I have to make sure is that the meat has been in the fridge for at least 2 hours. The longer the better, so it's cold. It needs to be very cold because we don't put any ice water in it. Now we add the fat and mix in the fat as well. Just make sure that the fat is mixed evenly and that she becomes very sticky. So she is there. So that's done. If you look, it's holding, it's sticky. That's how it should be. And the smell is very good. I will set up the filler now and start filling. Let's get this sausage mix into the filler. And what we need to do is we need to push it down so we don't have no air in there, or try to avoid it as much as possible. The other thing what I've done is before I started everything, I start to soak the sheep casings, and I'm using 22 to 24 mil, but you also could use 21, 23 mil. It's up to you and what you have at the moment. But normally it's sheep casing and somewhere around 21 to 24 mil. One more thing I want to tell you or show you, the apron as well, Bone Smoke and Sizzle logo, perfect, in black. It will be available shortly. Let's get the sheep casing on it. So what I will do is now is I put a bit of water in there, so I stick 2 fingers in it. I've shown it several times before. And then wet the nozzle a little bit and start pulling it up. And the sugar up easy. I'm using the smaller nozzle. That's all what you need to do. There we go. I'll pull it a little bit back now because I want to get the meat out. Here we go. Now make a knot in it. Let's start filling. Fill it semi-firm to firm. So she's nearly done. I think that's it. That's it, we are done. And now we tie them off. What we want to do is we want to make 8 to 10 centimeter links. It's about that long. And just twist them a couple times. You don't need to make them longer. If I want to make them longer, you can make them longer. It's really what you want to do. With the ship casing, you have to be a bit more careful when you twist them because they break easy. And I will make some other videos with show you how to twist properly, and so you saves you breaking the cases. So this is the last one. I can't get two out, so what I will do is same length about, twist once, twist them over, and I will do. Now they are done. Perfect. It's a bit slippery here. That's what they look like. So they're all done. I will now pack them as let them sit now a little bit longer. So for the next hour or so, I put them on a tray and then I put them in the fridge. And what I don't use within the next 2 days, they're going to be frozen. As you can see, to make the Nürnberger Bratwurst, the fresh one, is quite easy. So there's only a few herbs in there and it isn't that hard to make. It's a great sausage when you fry it up on the grill, on the barbecue, but mostly they get fried in the pan and have it with mustard, tomato sauce, whatever is your fancy. They're very nice sausages and they're great with fresh bread as well. If you enjoyed this recipe, give me a like, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. There's loads more to come. I will be making 3 recipes a week and they're already planned out for the rest of the year. So if you go to my website, you can see the planned releases for YouTube, and you can see every single recipe which is coming up to December. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Have fun making sausages. Give it a go. Enjoy them. Till then, bye bye.